Hi guys, so this is the flower earring DIY. This is what you get in your pack. I'm going to show you how we assemble this. So you open up your jump ring and then you place your suede side to the inside like that. And you continue on to put 6 of these, depending on your packet. Some of them will only have 5 per earring in. It's just because the leather is thicker, so you're not going to be able to get 6 on there. Okay, so you're going to continue on like that. To make it easier, I just keep everything together like this. Um, and yeah, so you're just going to continue on like that. So we've got 4. For me, I like using one of these pliers just to help me to hold everything together. It's not necessary, but it is going to make your life a lot easier, and that will not be included in your pack. Okay, so you're going to continue on. I think we've got 5 on here. So then the last one, let's do this, number 6. Okay, just need to push it. Unfortunately, we need to get it quite tight, otherwise it's not going to look like a flower. It's going to hang. So you'll see I've got all 6 on here, and then you need to bring the 2 sides of the jump ring together and close it up nice and tightly. Okay, and then you spread out your flower like this. I'm going to quickly do the other one. Okay, so now we have the 2 flowers. Then we take another jump ring and open it up. Then you hook it onto the middle of this one like that. And then we're going to take the hook and you're going to insert the hook in there as well. And you'll see this wire is quite nice because it's easy to bend. Some of the others are a bit thicker and they struggle to bend properly. Okay, and then we'll just do the other one. And let me just pause. And there we are, all done. It takes about 5 minutes to do. You can sell these easily for 100 Rand, but if you want to make it an easy sale, don't sell it for less than 60 Rand, which gives you 100% profit.